So my apologies. I said I was going to get some videos going on my YouTube channel. So I got it here, right? In my garage. I got this set up. 3D printer, RC cars, got all kinds of hobbies, but whatever. So I have a tablet, Android tablet. 3 trains here. This is the programming track. This is the main line. Arduino DCC-EX, right? I also have a PC set up. So we're going to do 2 different things, right? This is the beauty with DCC, right? So I put a decoder in this 1980s Pennsylvania Concord locomotive. I'm going to come up here. 5756 is what I have it programmed to. I'm just going to slide the little bar. Ready? And she's driving, right? Reverse. It's working. This is awesome, right? Got a tablet. Now, tablet has this throttle up here with all the different functions. I got to figure out how to crop that down. Down here, I can do another train. But I can stack them. I could do 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn this sideways. My tablet can control 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trains. Now, that's cool. Simultaneously, the PC with JMRI, because my PC, right here, this cable, plugged into the Arduino. Now, we, with the Android, are connecting to the Wi-Fi board. But now we're going to go in through the PC. I'll get more detailed later for you people. I just brought this stuff out. This stuff's been sitting for months, if not years. So, forgive me. I will get there. Can't find my... There we go. My mouse. Okay. There she goes. Okay. Now, I will switch right there. See? Switching direction. And I'll go slow. And there she goes. Now, here's where this can become useful. Somebody posted this and actually it was really cool. I forget who it was. I would love to give him a shout out. He said his father was no longer able to have a layout. So he set up a layout in his house with JMRI. I just touched my phone and I don't know why that's on the side. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, so he did JMRI, which is the PC. So his father VPNs into his house and controls the trains. He put cameras and the TV screen, whatever. It's a beauty, man. The technology is changing. It's getting real. He's not even home. He's miles and miles away. He's still able to drive trains and make a happy space. So that's cool stuff. But I'm going to get this stuff going. This is my first real video of this year. So I've already ordered some Arduino stuff to expand this. Now, I have the PCA, I always get the number wrong, 9685s, I think, to control lights and servos. I also bought IR sensors today. I bought LCD screens. I'm going to set up a speed track. I want to know scale speed of my trains. How fast is this train going in 1/60th? So I actually have a video. This guy right here. I only know it's this train because broken coupler in the back, so I got to figure out how to replace that. But this guy, scale speed, his max scale speed is 295 miles an hour. And I have a video of it. So it's unrealistic. But I'm going to have 3 outer loops and then a whole yard, whatever. But I got enough stuff where 3 loops, I'll be able to tell you how fast each train is going. Be able to slow them down, speed them up, do whatever. But give real world speed. So some really cool stuff coming. So thank you for under 6 minutes for sticking around, checking out my video. Let's see what we can do. And drop in the comments what you want to see. I have no problem tearing this apart. I got 3 of these setups. I will show you everything. Like on this side, I have pins pulled out and why. On this side, I should have a pin pulled out. I don't see it, but anyway, I will show you everything and anything to help you get going. So thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Like or not, it's all good. Peace out.